Hello guys and welcome back po sa Tarot Page Philippines. And this video gawin natin ang weekly horoscope for March 3 to 9 para po sa may mga Sun, Moon, and Rising sign na Cancer. So kung bago po kayo, subscribe, like, and share. At kung hindi nyo po alam kung ano yung Sun, Moon, at Rising sign nyo po kasi importante to, sa end po ng video, we have a link for this. And remember, the readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. At we have our extended reading. Kung naka-resonate ka at gusto mong mas malaman yung mas malalim na readings, click the join button to become a member. For private readings and spellworks, message us in your Facebook page. Link is in the description. Our admins will assist you. Spellworks, and also for donation kung gusto nyo po, you can use the thanks button sa baba, yung parang heart. Cancer. So, kamusta ka? Wait lang. Cancer. So, meron tayo itong two of cups and also soulmate. Okay. Well, Cancer, andun yung point kasi na at this point, andun yung point at this point. Yung point, yung moment na feeling mo na although you're with people, may mga kasama ka, may mga na-collaborate ka, nakausap, or maybe in work, may mga nakikipagtawanan sa'yo. There is this feeling of emptiness na hindi mo matanggal. Yung feeling na parang may kulang, may hinahanap, may void doon sa'yo na hindi mo ma-pinpoint kung ano. Yung moment na parang okay ka naman kasama, ganyan. Pero once everything, yung mga tipong tumigil, tumahimik na, or mag-isa ka na, there's this, yung security mo nawawala. Yung pakiramdam mo na okay ang lahat is parang biglang nag-fade into darkness. Kasi usually, di ba, kapag if we are secured as a person, may kasama tayo or wala, okay tayo. But what I'm seeing here kasi, there's an emotional state kang pinagdadaanan na kung saan meron kang specific na kailangan hanapin that will feed, that will secure your emotions, yung heart mo. And unfortunately, may iba, akala nila, kailangan nila magpaka-busy, kailangan nila may makasamang tao. Pero that is exhausting. And hindi siya nag-resolve ng problem na meron ka. Kasi, it is something na kailangan mong i-deal with. Gamitin natin yung phrase na, battling your own demons. And andoon na hindi mo alam paano mo siya i-share sa ibang tao. And hindi mo rin alam paano mo siya i-relate sa iba because you don't know if they could understand kung ano yung gusto mong ipahiwatig o kung ano yung gusto mong sabihin. But what is blocking you para mahanap mo to or what not? So we have your Six of Pentacles tsaka Treasure Island. Ayun. Ginagamit mo is Band-Aid. Band-Aid movement. Band-Aid na healing. Na yung sinasabi natin parang temporary lang. Parang sabihin natin kapag masakit yung ngipin, for the gamot lang, pero hindi dinadala sa dentista to have it treated accordingly. Yun yung nangyayari ngayon dito. Ang dami may mga iba sa inyo because you have a lot of reasons. Andoon na yung ibang nag-reason, kasi hindi ako pwedeng magpakita na mahina ako. Or, ang dami ko kasi kailangan gawin. Or, kasi ganito talaga yung life ko. Let's not do that. If we need help, Cancer, manghingi tayo. Wag tayong gumawa ng parang facade or parang meron tayong maglagay tayo ng maskara na we're good even though we are not. Emotions is a very complicated, para sa akin, sa point of view, is a very complicated facet ng pagkatao natin. And andoon na even yung mga, may mga nakilala ko doon ng mga psychologists, sabi na kahit pinag-aralan nila, andun pa rin that they are discovering new things. So, yung sa end mo kasi, there is this longing. So, may mga longing tayo and be connected as well to your past. Mga unfulfilled na wishes mo or desires or mga sabihin natin na traumas na nagsusurface na siya in that form. And andoon na parang para lang ma-fulfill or matakpan yon, dinaan yun sa ibang-iba, dinaan sa ibang bagay na nagpapaka-busy sa work or nag-focus sa mga relationship or nag-isip na ano bang pwede ibang pagkaabalahan. So in short, nagpaka-busy. So busyness is actually what's causing you to not properly address it. Now, ano ba yung nakikita natin sa desire card mo? We have here the Knight of Swords and the card of why. Well, there are some questions din na, ayun lang din. So, there are a lot of questions that you are wanting to be answered tungkol sa nakaraan. Kasi, what I'm seeing here, medyo connected pa, that some of you Cancer, there were people na sabihin natin biglang nawala na lang na parang bula sa buhay nyo. The communication suddenly ceased to exist, andoon na parang as if naging perfect strangers na lang kayo. Yung sasabi ng strangers with memories. And nandun yung part na gusto mo maintindihan bakit. And gusto mong malaman yung sagot mismo sa tao. Now, the card is asking you, instead na magtanong ka nung towards the person, bakit niya ginawa yun? You can also change yung perception ng question na babalik naman sa'yo. Ano yung nagawa ko? Para lumayo. Collectively, yung mga taong nawala, ano yung mga bagay na continuous kong ginagawa, pwedeng intentionally or unintentionally, to push them away. Kaya siguro doon yung point of emptiness, longing, kasi habang nauulit yung process, hindi mo na mamalayan na yung ginagawa mo is what is causing people to get away from you. And right now, yun yung isang bagay na tinatouch ng universe sa'yo. Because with your foundation, si Empress, tsaka si Observer, well, since reverse yung Observer mo, you need to give time. Kasi parang, okay, di nag-work, bye, next. Ganon. Okay, nasasayang yung oras, nasasayang yung resources, ang daming nasasayang because ang ginagawa mo, it's not actually trial and error eh. Kumbaga, inuulit mo lang, hoping na eventually mag-work yung ginagawa mo. Para yung remote, paulit-ulit na pinopokpok para mag-work, tapos pipilitin i-gamit, tapos pupukin ulit, without even realizing baka wala na pa ng laman yung battery ng remote. Ganun yung nagiging situation mo. Kaya nagkakaroon ka ng longing kasi the same routine yung ginagawa mo, so you need to break away from this. You need to, and for you to be able to break away from this foundation na hindi maganda, is kailangan mong balikan. Yes, it will be painful kung babalikan natin yung past, but necessary to. Kasi how can you address a problem kung hindi mo aalamin yung pinakaugat? Parang sa damo. Gusto mo mawala yung damo dyan sa mga pananim mo, patay mo sa pinakaugat. Then you will be ensured na hindi natutubo yan. Same thing with the problems. Address it by the roots. From there, mag-resolve siya accordingly. Kasi yung mga nakikita mong problems ngayon din sa life mo, pwede natin siyang tingnan as a surface problem na lang. Para, side effect ng pinaka-main issue which goes back deep into your emotions triggered by your past. Which is, punta tayo sa past mo. Which is the star, tsaka sa co-create. Ayun na nga. So, there are people in this house ng Cancer na abandonment issue. Yung naging problema nila in the past. Not to mention, andoon na yung nako-compare ka indirectly or hindi or indirectly or directly man, nararamdaman mo na parang there's yung favoritism. Hindi naman natin sinasabing mali yung nararamdaman mo kasi all emotions are valid. There's a possibility, according here sa the star, na you saw it from a different perspective. O naramdaman mo siya nakita mo siya sa maling pamamaraan at iba yung natatatak sa'yo. Tapos, of course, you were nagde-develop yung mind mo, tinake mo yon as yun yung reality. Tinake mo yun na yun totoong nangyayari without even having it to be properly explained sa'yo. Or kung nag-open ka man, nagtanong ka, hindi naman na-explain na maayos. So, ang daming factors na lumalabas dito. Alam mo, karamihan sa inyo, I would recommend, you will need to undergo Theta Healing. Ang dami niyong aayusin. If you feel na kailangan nyo nung deep level healing na to, message nyo kami sa Facebook page namin, and our admins will help you with it. Kasi andito na parang with the card of the star, hindi na naging maayos yung perception nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Imbes na nagfo-focus kayo doon sa bigger things, nag-focus na kayo sa maliit na bagay. You are pursuing small things na dapat nauubos yung oras nyo doon. There is a German phrase na sinabi na don't chase after butterflies. They will run away. Build a garden, they will come to you. Your possible future na ikaw, we have here the 6 of Cups and breathe. Now, 2 futures na nakikita ko development dito. 1 will go through healing, 1 hindi pipiliin. So, it will be depending on you kung saan mo dadalhin yung sarili mo dito. Doon muna tayo sa pipiliin yung healing. Now, according here is, the past will be, mauungkat yung past eh. Andoon nalalabas yung mga kailangan i-address. Yes, there will be a lot of tears, there will be crying, there will be andoon na magkakaroon ng moment na sobrang low ng emotions, na talagang, yung iyak ng ewan ko naranasan yung iyak na hikbe, na hindi mo na mailabas, hindi mo na ma-verbalize. That is the deeper healing na nangyayari. Kasi inuungkat na yung mga bulok na emotions for you to be released from it. But after that, what I'm seeing here, andoon yung full release and a brand new transformation will happen for those who will go through the healing process. Pero, may mga hindi pipiliin yon kasi nga, as a Cancer, crab, matigas ang shell, just one of the observations. Pipili nyo pa, yung mga pipili na parang hindi kaya ko to. Ang kinakatakot ko kasi, yung point na parang okay ka lang, pero all of the sudden, baka mag-breakdown. And the smallest things will trigger you. Alam mo yung mga tipo yung simpleng joke, biglang magiging big deal sa inyo. Na hindi magigets sa mga tao. Bakit naging big deal sa'yo? Bakit bila nag-flare up yung emotions mo? It's because para yung sugat na tinapalan mo, tas nagnana, kapag na-touch lang yan na kahit maliit, magsisend yan ng shockwaves of pain sa buong katawan, and that will trigger it. And same thing with the emotions that you are harboring. Pag na-trigger ka without you addressing that pain, that problem, it will cause more problems than expected. So kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings natin and you need a deeper version pa, pwede nyo i-click po yung ating join button to be a member para magkaroon kayo ng access sa ating extended readings. Ayan. So, tuloy natin yung readings mo. So, for your physical environment, we have the 2 of Pentacles and Fork in the Road. Isa sa mga nagiging trigger mo din dito lumalabas is the people around you and the environment that you have, karamihan sa inyo. Yung constantly na you need to make a decision about a lot of things, pero iniipit ka na yung decision mo, ito lang yung pipiliin mo. Parang alam mo yung tipong, sabihin, parang ganito, ito papiliin kita. Pili ka ng card. Di ba ang weird, yung isa malapit, yung isa malayo? Of course, parang may choice ka, pero parang andito yung lahat yung, nasa isang side yung, yung pwede mo lang piliin, kasi yun yung inaabot technically. Ayun yung mga setup nyo ngayon. Yun yung mga nararanasan nyo. Na parang sinasabi na, hindi, lang to, kung gusto mo lang, pero kung makabombard naman sila, makagaslight naman sila na dapat ito yung gawin mo to, wagas naman. You need to find a way to have that strength. You need to find that strength in you para to push back. Para i-reach out talaga yung alam mong magiging maganda para sa'yo. Paano mo hahanapin yung strength na yun kung deep inside is andoon na nag-harbor pa ng mga pains of the past? which comes to your emotional environment. Five of Pentacles, tsaka here and now. Sabi nila, kung napanood nyo, hindi pala, yung napanood nyo yung movie na Home, yung alien, na cute, nagbabago siya ng kulay. Best daw sila sa pagtakas. So, throughout the whole galaxy, tinatakasan nila yung kaaway nila. And they're causing problems sa mga planets na napupuntahan nila until they came to Earth. Until yung isa sa kanila is tinulungan ng isang babae to realize, ng batang babae, to realize that you need to face the problem. Kasi hindi mawawala yun. And as of now, ang dami sa inyo, just like, siguro pati take yung image ng Five of Pentacles, that they're also moving away from something. And instead of addressing it properly, hindi, yun yung ginagawa. Moving away talaga yung nangyayari. And parang, yun na lang yung naging karamihan yung mga sa inyo. Yun na yung naging life. Constant movement. Kaya isa sa mga hinahanap nyo rin dito is yung desire nyo rin siguro, balik tayo sa Knight of Swords mo, is yung peace of mind. Doon na minsan pinabaon nyo na lang yung memories. Then, nagsasurface siya from time to time. So, natitrigger na naman. The same routine happens. Cancer, you need to break away from that routine as soon as possible. With the hopes and fears mo, we have here the devil, tsaka come to the edge. Alam mo yung tipo, kung nakapanood kayo ng mga movies, yung may mga scenes na susunog yung bahay, most of the time, those who perish, yung mga hindi nakaka-survive, yun yung nagka-curl up na bigla sa dulo, sa gilid, tapos umiiyak na lang. Instead yung mga tao na they break away from the circle nung nakaikot sa long fire and try to find safety. Yun yung hope mo na magkaroon ka ng ganong strength to break away, na tumayo para imbes na naka-curl up ka doon sa isang sulok habang susulugin na sa paligid mo, for you to fight your way out of the fire. Sabihin natin, ang ganda nga iba sa inyo, ang dami ang gaganda ng mga careers nyo, pero at the end, how is your emotions? How is your heart? Yes, you may have good relationships with people, pero kamusta naman yung connection mo with yourself? Diba? Possible future, we have here the Ten of Wands, and never-ending story. Which is dalawang future na nakikita ko dito for those who will be healed and those who will not. For those who will not be healed, well, expect na walang magbabago. Expect that you will still continue what you're experiencing right now. Well, may twist naman. Mas lalala pa lang naman. Mas lalala lang naman nararamdaman nyo. Kasi kumbaga sa isang foundation na nabubulok na, unti-unti mag-deteriorate yan in time. And my fear para sa'yo, Cancer, is ano yung effect nun sa'yo, sa mga tao, sa paligid mo, once na nag-break na yung foundation mo. But for those who will go through the healing process, it's a new cycle. A new avenue ang pagdadaanan nyo. And doon na, we are seeing here na a bright new relationship. Actually, for those who are even willing, andun na magkakaroon kayo ng strength to even venture to a new field kung in terms of your career, or even a new area. Kumbaga, bakasyon na hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, pero andoon yung excitement for the new adventure. So I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. And remember, those readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. And meron na tayong cards para sa iyong extended readings. If you want to know yung mga additional message, just click the join button sa baba to be a member. Private readings and spellworks, pwede kayo mag-message po sa ating Facebook page. Link is in the description below. Our admins will assist. And for donations, you can send us using the thanks button sa baba. Cancer, maraming salamat. God bless. Namaste. Hare Krishna and blessed be. And hope to see you very soon. From Dominican Hill, here in Baguio City, you have a great day. Kita po tayo sa extended readings. Thank you.